Hey, I'm Thomas.
I'm Bill.
And you're watching Green Steam Maker's Cave. In today's episode, we're going to do our third and final robot from the Discovery Robotics Kit. This one's the spider robot. You ready to get to it, Dill?
Yeah.
A4. So A4 is going to be A piece. 4 is going to be, oh, don't bend it too hard. So A4, good. Good job. Place the gear train inside. Yeah, you do that. See, the reason why it's important to get it lined up right, it's all about timing. The timing is off, the robot will not run correctly. This is the same way that a car engine works. It has its timing belt on the cam shafts. And this cam shaft, that timing belt has to be in line in order to make the valves in the head of that engine move up and down at the right times to give it fuel and to let out exhaust at the right times. Get it? Okay. Got the
Sort of.
Sort of.
Not really.
Alright. this concludes our 3-part series of the Discovery Robotics Kit, ending with the spider robot. We had a lot of fun doing this. What did you think about it, Bill?
Good.
Very good kit. I learned a lot about different ways of building things, different ways you can power things with solar electricity, salt water, and batteries. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, we'll leave the link somewhere around here, maybe this side, maybe down here, somewhere around here. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget
To hit the like button, the notification bell, and please subscribe to our channel.
like buttons, that thumbs up. Feel free to leave us a comment. We're constantly trying to improve our videos, and hopefully it comes through. Any suggestions you have are greatly appreciated, so be sure to leave those in the comments. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.